Imagine holding a device so small yet so powerful that it instantly changes the way you think about technology. Because the iPad Mini 8 is not just another tablet. It is a silent revolution disguised inside a compact body, and from the very first second you experience it, you start to realize that Apple has once again rewritten the rules of what a portable device can truly be, and what makes this even more fascinating is that most people will look at it and think it's just a smaller iPad, but in reality, it is far more personal, far more powerful, and far more intelligent than anything in its category. Because Apple designed this device for people who want speed, creativity, entertainment, and productivity all wrapped inside something that feels light in the hand, yet feels heavy in performance. And once you turn on, the feeling is almost addictive because everything feels instant. Apps launch without delay, animations look like liquid glass, and your fingers feel like they are directly connected to the digital world. And that is where the real magic starts, because this is not a device that makes you wait. It is a device that moves at the speed of your thoughts. And when a device matches your thinking speed, your entire experience changes. And suddenly watching videos feels immersive, scrolling feels smooth like silk, reading feels natural like paper, and gaming feels powerful like a console. And the display on the iPad Mini 8 is designed to make your eyes fall in love with it, because the colors are expected to be deeper, the brightness is pushed higher, and the clarity is so sharp that even the smallest text looks crisp and beautiful. And when you pair that with upgraded speakers, the sound feels wide, rich, and surprisingly deep for a device of this size. Which means whether you're watching movies, streaming YouTube, or listening to music, it feels like a cinema experience inside your hands. And what really surprises people is how smart this device is, because it is rumored to be powered by one of Apple's latest chips, bringing desktop-level performance into a body that you can literally carry anywhere. And this isn't just about speed, it's about reliability, because you can run heavy apps, edit videos, multitask between different windows, and do serious work without feeling like your device is struggling. And that level of smoothness creates trust, because you stop worrying about whether your device can handle your tasks, and you just focus on what you want to do, and that is something that cheap tablets and even many expensive ones simply cannot offer. And when you start using it daily, you realize how much freedom it gives you, because you're no longer tied to a desk or a heavy laptop. Your workflow becomes mobile, your creativity becomes flexible, and your entertainment becomes more accessible. And that's exactly why students love it, because they can take notes, read books, highlight documents, and use the Apple Pencil to write naturally as if they are using a Rail notebook. And artists love it because it becomes a digital sketchbook that responds instantly to every small movement and pressure. And business owners love it because it becomes a lightweight office that they can carry everywhere to check emails, manage projects, attend video calls, and handle serious tasks without carrying bulky devices. And travelers love it because it fits perfectly inside small bags and works perfectly inside airplanes, cars, trains, and hotel rooms. And then when you think about battery life, it becomes even more impressive, because the iPad Mini 8 is expected to be tuned for intelligent power management, which means it doesn't just last long, it learns how you use it and adapts itself to save power where needed. So you can go through an entire day of work watching, browsing, and creating without constantly thinking about charging. And that freedom from charging anxiety is something that truly changes the way you live, because you no longer feel trapped by your battery percentage. And then there is the camera system, which has quietly become one of the most underrated parts of Apple's smaller devices, because with advanced front and back cameras, this tiny device can scan documents, record sharp videos, create social media content, and deliver high-quality video calls that feel professional, which makes it perfect for online meetings, remote work, online learning, and content creation. And all of this connect through faster Wi-Fi and possible 5G support, which means you're never really disconnected from the digital world. Your uploads are faster, your downloads are instant, and your streams don't buffer, which keeps your experience smooth and frustration-free. And when you take a step back and look at the design, you realize that Apple has created something that feels premium without trying too hard. The thin bezels, the solid build, the balanced weight, and the modern colors make it feel like a luxury product without making it feel fragile. And when people see it, they don't just see a gadget, they see a statement, because it silently says that you value smart design, speed, and efficiency. And what makes the iPad Mini 8 truly dangerous is not its hardware, but its psychology, because it slowly changes your habits. You start reaching for it instead of your laptop, you start using your phone less, because the experience is just better, and before you realize it, this small device has become the center of your digital life. And the most interesting part is that Apple didn't build this device only for tech lovers. They built it for normal people who want simple, powerful, and reliable tools in their daily lives. And when normal people get access to powerful technology, their potential increases, their productivity improves, and their creativity expands. And that is exactly what this device enables, because it removes friction from your routine, and when something makes your life easier, smoother, and faster, it becomes addictive, not in a bad way, but in a useful way, and that is why this device is so powerful in the real world, because it doesn't just look good on a spec sheet, it feels good in your daily life. And as more people start using devices like this, the definition of work, school, entertainment, and creativity slowly evolves, and heavy laptops start feeling overkill, big tablets start feeling unnecessary, and small, smart, powerful devices start becoming the new normal. And that is where the iPad Mini 8 is quietly positioning itself not as a luxury, but as a necessity for people who want power without weight, speed, without complications, and performance without compromise. And when this device officially launches, many people will talk about it. Some will criticize it, some will praise it, and some will ignore it. But the people who actually experience it will understand why it is special, because they will feel it in the smoothness, the speed, the display, the sound, and the freedom it gives them. And those are the people who will keep using it every day without needing to be convinced by hype. And by the time the rest of the world catches up, they will already be living in that future where technology doesn't feel heavy, difficult, or stressful. It feels natural, instant, and personal. And that is why the iPad Mini 8 is not just another tablet. It is a shift in how people interact with technology, because it feels like a natural extension of your hands, mind, and lifestyle. And once you experience that kind of connection with a device, you don't go back, you don't downgrade, and you don't forget it, because it becomes part of how you think, work, relax, and create. And that is the silent power of Apple's smallest yet smartest device. And the truth is, the iPad Mini 8 is not trying to compete with laptops or tablets. It is creating its own space, a space where power meets portability, creativity meets simplicity, and speed meets comfort. And once you step into that space, it feels impossible to leave, because everything just feels right and smooth and natural. And that is exactly what makes this device feel like not just a piece of technology, but a glimpse into the future of how people will live, work, and create in the years ahead.